What's the science behind clean label, lasting freshness for baked goods? Enzymes. But first, what exactly are baking enzymes and how do they work? Enzymes are natural proteins found in living organisms, and they can help commercial bakers looking to meet consumer demands for freshness and extended shelf life, all while maintaining quality, taste, and texture. As bread ages on the shelf, it begins to lose its freshness, its softness, its bounce, and its moistness. These are the qualities that make baked goods so delicious. This is due to a process called starch retrogradation. Put simply, baked goods want to revert back to their original form. Let's break it down a little more. During the baking process, starch from flour heats, absorbs water, swells, and gelatinizes. This creates the superior eating quality of bread. However, after baking, the starch begins to lose some of its moisture, the granules realign, and recrystallization occurs. That's starch retrogradation. This process cannot be reversed, but it can be delayed with tailored enzyme blends for freshness, like Ultra Fresh and Ultra Fresh Sweet. The enzyme blends actually help change the structure of the starch to slow down the staling process and prevent recrystallization. A lot has changed over the last 10 years, but one thing is certain: freshness is paramount. With tailored enzyme blends and Corbion expertise, bakers can protect the freshness of their baked goods. They will also be able to reduce waste caused by staling, reach new markets by extending distribution, and please consumers with high-quality eating experiences. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date on the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.